Simple past tense. Irregular verbs. We use the simple past tense to talk about actions that finished in the past. There are two types of verbs in past tense: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are verbs that form their past tense by adding ed, like played, walked, to the base form. We learned them completely in the previous video. The link is in the first comment. Irregular verbs are verbs that do not use ed for the past. They change form in a different way. Here are some examples. Go becomes went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Drink, drank. I drank water yesterday. To form a negative sentence, we use didn't before the base form of the verb. I didn't drink soda. We start the question with did. The subject goes next, and then the base form of the verb. Did you run? Did I drink water? Yes, you did. More examples. She bought a red dress last week. She didn't buy blue shoes. Did she buy blue shoes? No, she didn't. My cat slept on the sofa last night. It didn't sleep on my bed. Did it sleep on the bed? No, it didn't. We wrote a letter to our grandma yesterday. We didn't write an email. Did we write a letter? Yes, you did. They took the bus to work. They didn't take the train. Did they take the train? No, they didn't. Listen to this conversation to see how they use the simple past for irregular verbs. Hi, Ted. I saw you yesterday at a park. Hi, Emma. Yes, I was there with my dog. I went home quickly. It was cold. Were you at the park for a long time? No, I ran home after 10 minutes. Did you eat lunch yesterday? Yes, I ate a sandwich, but I didn't eat all of it. Did you have a good lunch? No, I didn't. I lost my water bottle. Oh no, did you find it later? Yes, I did. I found it last night. Good. Hey, did you hear about the test? Yes. Did the teacher say it's on Friday? Yes, she did. I wrote the date in my notebook. Great. I forgot the date. Thanks. No problem.